nice to see you. Welcome to the party classroom. It's quite bright and early here. You can see Mr. Cuddles is behind me having a snooze and Captain Clumsy is still fast asleep. So I hope you're nice and wide awake this morning because we are going to be learning how to add using a number line. And to do this, we need to know how to hop. Do you know how to hop? Can you think of an animal that likes to hop? Because that animal is going to help us this morning. Have a think. Can you think of an animal that likes to hop? They come out at Easter. That's right. We're going to all pretend to be bunny rabbits because bunny rabbits like to hop and they especially like to hop up and down a number line. I have a number line here that goes from 1 all the way to 10. And we are going to start off with some nice small additions that just go to 10. So I'm going to start with the calculation 2 add 5. 2 add 5. What we need to remember when we're using a number line to help us add is that we always start on the first number, which in this instance is 2. So I'm going to circle that here. There we go, so circle 2. We also need to remember that the second number is how many bunny hops we are going to jump. So for this example, we are going to jump 5. But what's really important about our maths bunnies is that every time they come across a number, they like to stop. So they jump onto the number before they go on to the next one, just to make sure that they don't miss any out. So that's important. So if we are going to go 2 add 5, we start at 2, which I've circled, and we're going to do 5 bunny hops. Are you ready? Jumping on all of those numbers. We go 1 boing, 2 boing, 3 boing, 4 boing, 5 boing. And look where we've ended. We've done 5 bunny hops. And we have now ended on 7. So that gives us our answer. Bingo! Big tick and smiley face from your teacher. 2 add 5 is 7. Should we do another one? Are you going to keep jumping around like a bunny for me? Oh, I'm going to give my big ears a scratch. Oh, they're very itchy. Have you got itchy bunny ears as well? Right. Well done for the last example. Let's do another one. This time we are going to do 3 add 6 and we're going to use the number line to help us. Something that is useful to remember with addition is that when we are adding something, the number always gets bigger because adding is getting more. So that's something really good to remember because if your answer ends up as a smaller number when you're meant to be doing addition, you know you've done something a little bit wrong. And it's always good to double check as you go along, isn't it? So 3 add 6. The first number I circle, 3. And then the second number tells me how many bunny hops I'm going to do. So in this example, it is 6. Are you ready? We're going to jump. Get your best bunny jumps ready. Here we go. We go 1 boing, 2 boing, 3 boing, 4 boing, 5 boing, 6 boing. And look where I've ended. I've ended at the number 9. So that tells me that 3 add 6 equals 9. Amazing! Look at you doing these great calculations. Let's do another, but this time we're going to get a bit harder and we're going to use some bigger numbers up to 20. You're doing so well. Well done so far. I hope you're feeling a little bit more awake than Mr. Cuddles. He's still snoozing back there. Maybe I should give him a little tickle to see if he'll wake up. Tickle, tickle. Come on, Mr. Cuddles, wakey, wakey. No, still snoozing. It's no good, is it? We'll let him have his rest. Maybe he'll be wide awake for some lessons this afternoon. Now, we are going to look at some higher numbers now, up to 20. We are going from 11 to 20 on this number line. The calculation we're going to work out is going to be 12 add 4. 12 add 4. So remember, the first thing that you need to do is you circle the first number. 12. There we go. And then we bunny hop the second number. So 12 add 4. So I'm going to bunny hop 4 jumps. Are you ready to jump with me? Here we go. 1, boing, 2, boing, 3, boing, 4, boing. And look where I've ended. Can you see what number I've ended on? I've landed on 16, which means 12 add 4 equals 16. Should we do another example? Oh, you are doing so well. Well done. Let's do another example with the same number line, 11 to 20. This time we are going to do 15 add 3. So remember, we circle the first number in the calculation, which is 15. And then we're going to bunny hop whatever the second number is, which in this case is the number 3. So 3 bunny hops. Are you ready? 1, boing, 2, boing, 3, boing. Can you see what number I've ended on? The number 18, which tells me that 15 add 3 is 18. Now, there's something else we can do on a number line. Because you're doing this so well, we may as well move on and keep going. As well as adding on a number line and making our numbers bigger, we can also subtract or take away on a number line. And the only difference is that you go backwards instead of forwards with your bunny hops. You go down the number line and then you will end up with an answer that is smaller. And that's really important. Remember that adding makes you have a bigger number at the end, and taking away or subtracting makes you have a smaller number at the end of your calculation. Let's have a go now with the subtraction. Here we have the number line from 1 to 10 again, like we started with the addition, but this time we are going to do the calculation 8 take away 6. 8 take away 6. Now remember, we always start at the first number in the calculation, which in this case is the number 8. So I'm going to circle the number 8. But because I'm taking away, instead of going up the number line, I need to come down the number line because I need a smaller answer than any of the numbers that I started with. So 8 take away 6 means I'm going to bunny hop 6 places down the number line. Are you ready to jump with me? Here we go. 1, boing, 2, boing, 3, boing, 4, boing, 5, boing, 6, boing. Look what number we end at. The number 2, which means 8 take away 6 equals 2. The only thing we've done differently there is we've gone down the number line to end up with a smaller answer. So addition means you go up the number line to the bigger numbers, and subtraction means you go down the number line to the smaller numbers. Should we do one more? Hello little bunnies, are you ready to do another example? We are going to work out 7 take away 3. So remember, because we're subtracting, we are going down the number line because we have to end up with a smaller number than the number that we started with. So 7 take away 3, we circle the first number in the calculation, which is 7. There we go. And because we're taking away 3, that means we have to do 3 bunny hops down the number line. Are you ready? 1, boing, 2, boing, 3, boing. Can you see what number we've landed on? The number 4. And that tells us that 7 take away 3 equals 4. Easy. Now, because you're doing so well, let's move up the number line and look at a number line between 11 and 20 so we can do some more subtractions. My bunny ears are so big that they hardly fit on the camera. Are your bunny ears big as well? Let's do some more subtraction. The calculation this time is going to be 19 take away 4. 19 take away 4. The first number in the calculation is 19, so I'm going to circle it. And I'm taking away 4, which means I'm going to bunny hop 4 jumps down the number line. Are you ready? 1 boing, 2 boing, 3 boing, 4 boing. What number have I ended on? The number 15. That shows me that 19 take away 4 equals 15. Let's do another. For the last example, the calculation we're going to look at is 18 take away 5. 18 is the first number in the calculation, so I'm going to circle it. And because I'm taking away, I go down the number line. 18 take away 5 means 5 bunny hops. Are you ready? 1 boing, 2 boing, 3 boing, 4 boing, 5 boing. What number have I ended on? The number 13. So this shows me that 18 take away 5 equals 13. Amazing. I hope you're understanding this and you're finding it okay. So far, you have used the number line to add numbers and take them away. That is just brilliant. I think that needs a big thumbs up. Where's my big thumbs up? Here it is! Big thumbs up. Really, really good. So you have worked so hard today. I am very impressed with you. I am going to put on the screen a number line and some addition and subtraction calculations. What you need to remember is when you are adding, you go up the number line towards the bigger numbers. When you are taking away, you go down the number line to the smaller numbers. So have a look on the screen and see if you can complete any of the calculations. Remember to press pause because I'm going to put the answers up as well. And you don't want to be working them out and all of a sudden the answers come up on the screen because then you won't have had to go yourself. So good luck. You've been amazing today. Thank you for visiting the party classroom and I will see you next time. Bye for now.